Have you ever dreamed of achieving financial freedom? It's a tantalizing prospect, isn't it? To have the liberty to live life on your own terms, unburdened by the worry of how to make ends meet. That, my friends, is the essence of financial freedom. It's not just about having a mountain of money. It's about having control over your finances, understanding where your money goes, and making it work for you. In our journey today, we'll explore the path to financial freedom. We'll delve into setting financial goals that inspire and motivate. We'll talk about crafting a budget that gives you clarity and control. And we'll discuss investing wisely to let your money grow. And most importantly, we'll look at cultivating healthy financial habits, because after all, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. So, tighten your seatbelts, because we're about to embark on a thrilling ride. Today, we'll guide you through the journey towards your financial freedom. Your journey towards financial freedom begins with setting clear financial goals. Envision your financial future. What does it look like? A comfortable retirement, a new home, or perhaps a college fund for your child. These are your financial goals, and they're unique to you. To make them a reality, they need to be smart, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Think of a goal as a destination, and the SMART criteria as your GPS, guiding you towards your financial dreams. A goal must be specific and measurable, so you know exactly what you're aiming for and can track your progress. It should be attainable and relevant to your personal financial situation. Lastly, it must be time-bound, giving you a deadline to work towards. Whether it's saving for a vacation in the next year or planning for retirement in the next 2 decades, having both short-term and long-term financial goals gives your money a purpose. Remember, a dream without a goal is just a wish. Now that you have your goals, you need a plan to reach them. That's where budgeting comes in. Budgeting is essentially the roadmap to your financial freedom. It helps you navigate your spending habits, allowing you to allocate your income towards necessities, wants, and savings or investments efficiently. One popular method is the 50-30-20 rule. This approach suggests dividing your after-tax income in such a way that 50% goes towards needs, 30% towards wants, and 20% towards savings or debt repayments. The envelope method, on the other hand, involves allocating a specific amount of cash for different categories of expenses. Once the cash in an envelope runs out, no further spending is allowed in that category. Zero-based budgeting is another strategy where every dollar of your income is assigned a job, leaving you with a zero balance at the end of the month. Remember, your budget must be tailored to your income and expenses. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Adjust it as your financial landscape changes. A budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. The next step towards financial freedom is to make your money work for you through investing. Now, investing may seem like a daunting prospect, but it's actually quite simple once you understand the basics. Let's dive right into it. At its core, investing is about buying assets that you believe will increase in value over time. These assets can take many forms, from stocks and bonds to mutual funds. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a small piece of a company. If the company does well, the value of your stock increases. Bonds, on the other hand, are like loans you make to a company or government. In return, you receive regular interest payments and get your initial investment back once the bond matures. Mutual funds are a bit different. When you invest in a mutual fund, you're pooling your money with other investors to buy a diverse range of stocks and bonds. This diversity reduces your risk and makes mutual funds a popular choice for beginner investors. Now, you may have heard the term diversification thrown around in financial circles. Diversification simply means spreading your investments across a variety of assets to reduce risk. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. If one asset doesn't perform well, your other investments can help offset the loss. But where does the concept of risk and reward come into play? Well, in the world of investing, higher potential returns often come with higher risk. Stocks, for example, can provide substantial returns, but they can also be volatile. Bonds are generally less risky, but they also offer lower returns. The key is to find a balance that suits your financial goals and risk tolerance. Remember, investing is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's not about making a quick buck, but building wealth over time. Patience, consistency, and a well-diversified portfolio are the cornerstones of successful investing. Investing is not about getting rich quick, it's about getting rich slow. Last but not least, achieving financial freedom requires cultivating healthy financial habits. It's about creating an environment where your money works for you, not the other way around. A cornerstone of this is living below your means. This doesn't mean depriving yourself of all pleasures, but rather making conscious choices about where your money goes, prioritizing needs over wants, and focusing on long-term rewards instead of short-term gains. Equally important is establishing a safety net by saving for emergencies. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial buffer can turn a potential disaster into a minor hiccup. Regularly reviewing your financial goals and budget is also crucial. This keeps your objectives on track and allows you to adjust your strategy as needed. Remember, a budget isn't a punishment. It's a tool that brings you closer to your goals. Financial freedom is less about financials and more about freedom. So, cultivate these habits and embrace the freedom that comes with taking control of your financial future. And there you have it, the roadmap to your financial freedom. In this brief yet enlightening journey, we've navigated the roadmap to financial freedom. We started by setting financial goals. Remember, these are the stepping stones that will guide your financial journey, so make sure they are clear, achievable, and aligned with your personal aspirations. Next, we dove into the realm of budgeting. By creating a budget that fits your lifestyle, you're setting up a financial framework that will help you control your money rather than letting it control you. We then ventured into the world of wise investing. The key here is to be patient and persistent. Remember, it's not about getting rich quickly, but about growing wealth steadily over time. Finally, we touched on the importance of cultivating healthy financial habits. These habits will not only help you maintain your financial health, but also make your journey to financial freedom more enjoyable. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. So start today and make your dream of financial freedom a reality.